Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on ambient mode on the YouTube app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. YouTube ambient mode makes watching videos more immersive by casting subtle colours from the video onto your screen's background. Ambient mode can only be used in dark mode, so you need to turn on the dark theme first if you don't have it on. From the YouTube home screen, tap your user icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Choose General from the top of the settings. In the General settings, tap Appearance. Select Dark Theme. Now that the dark theme is turned on, go back to the YouTube homepage and open and play the video that you would like to watch. Tap on the video to bring up the on-screen options. Tap on the settings cog in the top right corner of the video. Tap Ambient Mode to turn it on. When it is on, it will say On to the right of it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.